A low pressure system combined with southwesterly winds will bring more thunderstorms with heavy rain and strong winds in many parts of the country this week, according to the Meteorology and Hydrology Department. Thunderstorms accompanied by occasional strong winds can be expected throughout Hua Pan and Xinjiang provinces, with a probability of rain estimated at 50%. Temperatures will range from 20 to 28 degrees Celsius. It will be much warmer in the northwest, where temperatures will range from 23 to 33 degrees Celsius, with heavy rain and wind gusts possible in Lon Nam Tha, Bokeo, Udom Sai, Luang Prabang, and Sangyeongpuri provinces. The probability of rainfall is estimated at 65%. Central provinces of Bodikamsai, Khammon, and Savanakhet and Vientiane will see temperatures ranging from 25 to 36 degrees Celsius, accompanied by thunderstorms and wind gusts, with the chance of rainfall estimated at 40%. In Sai Songboon province, temperatures will lower at 20 to 28 degrees Celsius with light rain and occasional gusting winds. In the south, there will also be thunderstorms with strong winds in some parts of Champasak and Salawan provinces, with a temperature range of 25 to 38 degrees Celsius. Plateau areas will be cool in the mornings, with occasional light rain and gusting winds and temperatures ranging from 18 to 28 degrees Celsius. Vientiane can expect wind gusts and occasional heavy showers, with temperatures ranging from 27 to 30 degrees Celsius, with a chance of rainfall estimated at 50%. Everyone should be prepared for weather extremes and keep track of forecasts, the Meteorology and Hydrology Department advises. Meanwhile, Thailand's Meteorology Department has forecast that provinces bordering Laos will have isolated thunder showers with minimum temperatures ranging from 25 to 27 degrees Celsius and maximums from 34 to 37 degrees Celsius. Winds will be southwesterly with speeds of 10 to 20 kilometers per hour.